Bollywood actresses who have the hottest belly button. Belly button is the one of the most attractive parts of the female body and our Bollywood actress. Let's start the list with the sex actress Jacqueline Fernandez. The Sri Lankan beauty made her Bollywood debut with Aladdin. Now the actress became the national crush of Indian hair so sexy body makes man go crazy. Additional her sexy belly button add more space in the beauty. The second one is Deepika Padukone. Deepika hot body with the perfect navel turn into reason of jealousy for many B-tone actresses of the Bollywood. The actress started her journey with Om Shanti Om and never back look. Katrina Kaif, after giving such item numbers, Katrina became one of the most wanted actresses of Bollywood for item song. Her fan go crazy when she showed the salty dancing movies and her seductive belly button make it more sensual. Last one is Priyanka Chopra. Every Indian girl copied on Priyanka Chopra whenever they wear sari. This girl give the new definition of the how to wear sari with the vision belly button. If they award for the sexy level of Bollywood, Priyanka must be the winner. Thank you to watching for video. Don't forget subscribe, share and like and comment.